Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from wherever you're watching this channel. I know you're a bit surprised about the background. Just know that I'm not in the studio and I'm in a certain place within Sierra County. So just wanted to give you some update on what's happening. So I've been looking at a video from Justice Lenaola,
who followed the Rigiji saga will remember that at some point the judiciary website, the online filing system went down. I want you to carry this question into 2027. Why did that online platform collapse? Why did the firewalls that we created before 2022 suddenly become vulnerable? And imagine what may happen in 2027. I will say no more, but think about it.
So Lenaola expressed his concern about the government's deliberate plan to sabotage IEBC. And in his statement, Justice Lenaola has also pointed at a mistake that was seen during the impeachment proceedings of Rigathi Gachagua. In his concern, ladies and gentlemen, there is a time I believe you could have heard about the e-filing system that failed when there were cases that were filed, counter cases, especially from lawyers representing Rigathi Gachagua. So Lenaola is telling us that, take a look at this. Assume it is 2027 and the same scenario happens during either a presidential petition or the vote submission process. What happens in the event that the system has been brought down? Utakubaliana na mimi kwamba Lenaola ni kama alikuwa anajaribu kuambia Wakenya wafunguke macho. Ni kwamba kuna kitu kitafanyika hapo 2027, sasa wafunguke macho na watumie akili, kwa sababu assume it is 2027, the electoral system can't work, or the e-filing system of the Supreme Court can't work, and there are petitions to be filed. What is going to happen? So I want us to go extensively into this message from Justice Lenaola, because I'm shocked. I was shocked. I believe you are also shocked when Lenaola said that yeye yuko radhi kwenda nyumbani. Manyata ni hapa hapa. So ladies and gentlemen, before you go further on this analysis, please take this opportunity, like this video. It's so important if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because that is the only way you make our channel grow. Thanks so much for everybody who has been supporting this channel and making this channel grow. 2 years down the line, IEBC reconstitution has not been done. 2 years down the line, the country is operating without a functioning IEBC. And we are almost at a time where the IEBC is supposed to start preparing for the 2027 general election. So I'm giving you that introduction because Lenaola has talked about IEBC reconstitution, and according to his statement, he is trying to tell Kenyans that there is a deliberate sabotage of IEBC. Someone doesn't want IEBC to function, because right now there's the issue of procurement of IEBC system. There's the issue of planning for by-election in like Banista constituency. There are so many things which needs to be done. So according to Lenaola, it's as if the government is deliberately sabotaging the operation of the IEBC. Right now the government is feeling pressured. So much pressure is being piled on the government, especially the members of parliament who are supposed to be recalled. Now the government knows that most of its members of parliament are supposed to be recalled, and because of that reason, the government is trying to protect them by making sure that the IEBC does not function. And this is what Lenaola is talking about. If you look at the issue of policies which are hurriedly implemented, according to Lenaola, he thinks that these policies that are being hurried or implemented in haste are the only ones that favor the government, but not the common mwananchi. Take a look at this issue of impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. I mean, I was a bit amazed by the fact that Lenaola realizes that things could have been hurried to favor what the government wants. But when it comes to the issue of wananchi, the government is hesitant in making sure that those things work. Taking into consideration the fact that Rigathi Gachagua was ousted out of office kwa haraka namna ile ambayo alitolewa. Tena in fact, according to Lenaola, anasema kwamba the government sponsored the motion and everything to make sure that Rigathi was kicked out. But why is it taking a lot of time for IEBC to be formulated?
We are busy passing legislation very quickly on other subjects that are politically important, but we don't look at what is extremely important for this country. The Electoral Commission. How can a country like ours stand on its feet if it does not have an Electoral Commission? Elections are in 2027. This is 2024. When will this commission be prepared?
You know, a layman would easily say that someone is trying to plan for rigging. Is that what Lenaola is trying to tell us? That kulingana na venye vitu zinafanyika ni kama kuna ile deliberate attempt to make sure that IEBC cannot function, because 2 years to plan the procurement process and everything, you know, to pick commissioners, to do all this. In fact, we can say that we are approaching 2.5 years, because right now we are past 2 years. You know, the government came into place in September. Now we are past 2 years. We are approaching the 2.5 years. Then we will slowly be approaching 3 years. Na bado IEBC haifanyi kazi. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to pose this question to you. You know, based on Justice Lenaola's concern, do you think the government has a good intention here? Ama hii ni deliberate attempt to sabotage the election of 2027? Or is there a deliberate plot to probably, like, you know, steal election? What is happening here, ladies and gentlemen? I wanted to go below in the comment section and you can offer reaction regarding this matter, because for a judge of the Supreme Court to come out publicly aseme kwamba yeye yuko tayari kwenda nyumbani,
who's not limited in expressing my mind. So you not expect me to say parliament has done wrong, the president has not done. I speak my mind, because mtanipeleka wapi? Si manyata ni hapo Samburu.
That means he is also not happy with the goings on. Just go below in your comment section and take just react on below in the comment section. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to raise my case there. But after following up on the statement from Justice Lenaola, I think going forward, there will be some government reaction. I am foreseeing a scenario where the government will react. The government has people who don't hesitate to react. They will definitely react. So it's just a matter of time before we get reaction from probably someone like Moses Kuria, someone like Kitumbi, Chungwa, you know, someone like who, you know, Oscar Sudi, you know, Aaron Cheriot. They will definitely react to this statement. So perhaps if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, take 1 second and subscribe, like this video. Until you catch up again, stay safe and stay blessed.